I know, right?
Where it go? A car.
Yeah, there's a car. Are you having a party, Ezekiel?
Yeah. Oh, me too, Any more? Yeah. The part of I want to play. Yeah. I can finish the party. What? Mom. You're trying to tip it. She's trying to tip it. Thank you. Here's mine now. Oh, Rico Burger. What's you trying to say?
He said thank you for playing.
Well, now we're trying to say. More? That one.
No, I'm not gonna give you a real water puppy.
Cars. A cars.
What is cars?
Cars.
Okay. Everything's so clear now.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yay! Water parties. Water party. Hi, party. What do you make a party? Water party, look at those. Yeah, I was making a party. I took the party, the burger.
He's asking if you're trying to party.
Yeah. A car. What's this burger? Car. That's right here. No, customer. No.
Share, Ezekiel, share. Let Catherine borrow it.